Hey, it's Mr. Allred, and we're going to do some practice problems, and it says rewrite from exponential form to logarithmic form. And just as a reminder, the process for this was we had the conversion definition. It was x equals a to the y. That's the exponential form. We could convert that over to logarithmic form as log base a of x equals y. So it gets the exponent out to a position by itself. So just identify those positions. Okay. So the first one here, a, is g squared equals 3.2. So that would look like log base g, which is a sloppy thing when I write it small, of 3.2 equals 2. B here, the second one, 1.3 squared equals r. So that would be the log base 1.3 of r equals 2. C, 16 raised to 2x equals 215. So keep in mind that in my definition, a, y, and x are all placeholders, so they can be more complicated things than just a single variable or number. But that conversion would be log base 16 of 215 equals 2x. The last one, D, is e to the x equals pi. We got kind of two options here. First of all, if we take our strict definition up there, we could write it as log base e of pi equals x. But another way of writing log base e is natural log. So we could write it as natural log of pi equals x. And in all these cases, we were just rewriting to have the logarithmic form versus the exponential.